India's diplomatic offensive, there's a total meltdown in Pakistan. A spooked Islamabad has now called an emergency meeting after India put the Indus Waters Treaty on hold. Pakistan is now likely to form a panel to manage its water strategy amid the growing pressure. Priyank, how is this going to play out? Because we just spoke about the impact that it's going to have on Pakistan as a country economically and on the people of Pakistan as well. Now we're told an emergency meeting has been called in.
Yes, certainly, Pratibha, because this part of Pakistan, which has fertile land, is certainly dependent on the water which flows from India's side and it enters Pakistan. And since the time the treaty has been put on hold, what we can certainly see that the Pakistanis are trying to decide the strategy how their agricultural land as well as the need for the water can be surviving. At this moment, what we can say that the Pakistan's ministers and the Prime Minister are expected to hold a key meeting related to the recent water crisis which has just started. And in the days to come, it will be very difficult for the Pakistanis to survive without the water which is coming from India. We know it for the fact that this portion of the Pakistan-occupied Kashmir until Lahore, till the time, till the range, the Indus River actually goes inside the Arabian Sea through Lahore side. This particular area is something which was very much important for agriculture and all the small factories, although there are no much factories and industries in this particular belt. But it is a known fact that in this particular region, water supply and the supply from of water to the rest part of the Pakistan will also be affected. We know that Pakistanis have been trying to talk with other foreign countries to come to some sort of solution. But India has made it very clear that blood and water cannot flow together. In the few hours to come, what we are expecting that there will be a meeting which is expected to happen in Lahore related to the kind of strategy which the Pakistani ministers and other individuals who are the water resource department officials will be trying to talk about to chalk out their further strategy to survive without the water which was expected to come from India. But in the days to come, the water level will go down and it will be very difficult for them to survive.
Okay, all right. In fact, as these details continue to come in on the impact that it's having in Pakistan,